He's coming. Just build a bit bigger of a kicker on it. So he should be better now. Okay, let's go. Let's go, part 7. Paddle more, paddle, 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 paddle. Oh! Is that a train I see in the trees? Faster is better. Got it.
That's not good enough, Caleb.
Let's go, he's prepping. I'm the cameraman. Oh, I like that angle. Just turn off the fear, man. Oh! It was right there. Oh. Nice. How's the oil looking? Oh, prime. there's oil on it. Like, it's greasy. It's good. This thing's sick. It's even got the oil fill.
Yeah.
You just gotta not get tired.
I'm going to try a
Slow motion video?
Like,
I don't even know if we can make it.
if he can make it,
Yeah. I think he can make it. You think he can make it?
probably.
Yeah, he's got it.
If you got a big enough bike, you can make it easily.
Exactly. Nice.
Yeah. I was like really cool in slow motion.
You think?
Probably.
He's going for it. He's gearing up. He's gearing up. He's ready to go. He's fired up. You got it. You got it. Block out the fear. Oh! You alright? Nice. That was precision.
If only I stayed on.
Yeah, that was precision though. You got that. You alright?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wow, perfect. I mean, you got air, but this soft stuff just grabs your tires.
But it didn't hurt, right?
No.
It's nice soft dirt. Here, your sandal. You blew a sandal. Yeah, get out of the dirt with the sandal. It's real soft, eh?
Yeah. It is a lot of fun though.
It is a lot of fun.
Off a little bit.
It's got the whip line going.
Yeah, exactly.
No,
The ocean, guys.
the ocean and the barnacles. I can't even see anything. I can't even see anything. Bruh.
Vlog, guys. Hey. Hi.
Look at that mountain way over there, bro. Man's getting pissed. He's not liking it. Look at it's also got the US over there. Nice.
I'm the US of ass. Hey guys.
Let's go. Beautiful early morning. It's like what, 9:40? 9:50? Just checking out the tracks. Popkom Raceway. Ooh, prepped and ready.
Be on top. Oh.
Let's go. You have to push your bike from the parking lot to that booth right there for some reason.
Dude, where do you even go? I have no idea.
It's kind of confusing, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
To have like a gate start that goes to nowhere.
But I think you go around there and then you like go in those cones. Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I need a shit.
How's it going, boss? Hard at work this morning? Nice.
That's a sketch start. There's like
Yeah, that is.
3 chunks of metal to get through. And you're like, here, back wheels on a hill.
Yeah, what is this?
That's like a tall gate.
That is. I was just kind of thinking, you know, I've never really seen a gate before, so like.
They're not this big.
Yeah, I was gonna say this feels
At least
tall.
The ones in Kelowna.
Yeah, this feels tall.
But I mean, to get over like all that pipe.
There's some deep ruts in there. I'd be like, yeah.
I mean, for the race, they probably pull.
Yeah. You got Deegan out here. He's like,
get that for Christmas, kid? Hey, it's Mother's Day. Where's your mama? 69. I thought you was the best. New tire, man. New tire. That never happened. With the start prep. Look there, there's the line. Asics.
Look at that.
Track prep boots.
Nice. I love how Deegan crashed yesterday too.
I know, it's great.
What a bot.
Yeah, I think honestly, these drivers all be faster. They don't look as so high.
Yeah. So think about it. Come out of the corner. You can't see the bottom. But just look at the track shot right now. Boom.
It's like bingo. Which one do you choose?
Coming over to this. Look at that thing. That thing's a monster.
So it was literally because it was like right here. Oh, we filming? Okay,
Yeah.
guys, full story. I'm coming down this straight stretch, which is like bumpier than bumps and bumpiness. And the front end just starts going and going. And I thought, oh, I'm done. I'm literally in the corner of my eye. What do I see but the sign that says, watch out for that tree.
I never have seen that.
And I go,
I never have seen that.
oh man, I'm gonna just hit the tree.
See, I hate this corner because first off, you come in. I miss it every time.
Oh, I know.
And you come in.
Get into that.
You can't hit your foot on that.
How deep that is.
Bobby, like
Look at this.
put your hand in there.
Like, look at that, guys. Look how deep that is.
And then you just power out and it's like, yeah. Fired up. What is this? the day too, baby. Outside the line. Woo! Oh, Bobby! Woo! Bobby! You whipped. Oh, help me! Help. You whipped so good! Buttery, why are you leaving the track so soon? Ah, Bobby's playing rude. Nice!
You remember I was on the 252 stroke
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
The buddy that I ride with, I got tired hearing him behind me. That was me.
Deleted.
Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Nice 250 gnarly on there.
Oh yeah, munted from a CR. Look at that, 250 on that small of a cylinder.
Come on, Jaden, what we got? Come on.